Attention the please the Chief Minister of Assam. Listen to me. Power is see you. The Chief Minister of Assam. Listen to me. Power decide today, gain tomorrow. But power is not permanent for anyone. So what are you doing the Chief Minister? See you. Only minority target. Only minority target. What are you doing the minority people? Eviction Miya. You will hurt the Miya. You will insult Miya. You will again Miya. You will Bulldozer Miya. What are you doing? Why are you going to the Miya? No citizen of India people? Miya? Why citizen? No citizen of India people? Miya? Miya coming for Bangladesh but living of India? I am citizen of India. So, listen to me, Chief Minister of Assam. Power is change people 2026 outfield election. So, I am becker people. But Miya landless people. So bank of repatriation people Miya. To why going to from the station the Miya? Why shall going to Miya? See you the Chief Minister, why the platform? Please your eviction, please the stop. So my CU 2026 the outfield election. So 26 MLA legislative the member continual Jaluguri. And power change people. So please my request, Chief Minister of Assam, my request, very request, please the eviction immediately stop. Your people, Miya people, please your give the land documents. I am citizen of India people. No coming from Bangladesh but living of India. No you start permit. Why going to the Miya? Why the from the Miya? Please, my request, Chief Minister of Assam, 19 article and the land your give the Chief Minister equal to V for law. Chief Minister, listen to me. Please, your eviction and stop my request. So thank you.